Did you know OBS Studio can run completely portable from a USB drive or a separate folder? It can, and I'll show you how to set it up step by step in less than 3 minutes. Today we're setting up OBS Studio in portable mode so your settings and recording stay self-contained and files between versions don't get contaminated. Now this process currently only works on Windows. Normally, OBS stores settings inside Windows user folders. Portable mode changes that. With portable mode, settings, scenes, profiles, and plugins can all stay in the OBS folder itself. This is useful for USB setups, backup systems, running multiple instances at the same time, which I often do, and giving you cleaner organization. First, you want to go to obsproject.com/download and you want to download this zip file, not the installer. Once you have the zip file downloaded, you want to extract it to a folder that's not inside your program folder. Mine is on the desktop. Now, inside the extracted folder, you want to open it up, and inside you want to add a blank text file named portable underbar mode. From here, open the bin folder, then 64-bit. Go down, you'll find your executable, and from here, you can start the program. If you add a shortcut, be sure to put the word portable on the end of it so when you drag it to the desktop, you don't get confused whether you're using the full version or the portable version. So now we have the full version of OBS running here on the right side, and that's the version I'm recording with now. Let's go over and test the portable version and see if it works. We just double click the shortcut. Now you have both versions running, the full version on the right, the portable on the left. One way I keep them straight is the mixer on the portable. I keep in vertical mode. If you want to change that, you can right click and change it to horizontal. And over on the full version, I keep it in horizontal mode. And again, I can click and make it vertical. So if you find that any of your files are crossing over, just go into settings on whichever version and make the adjustments. Now that's how you create a portable OBS Studio setup. If this helped you, just come back to see us for more quick tutorials. If you have questions or topic suggestions, just drop them in the comments. And also in the comments, let me know how you plan to use OBS Portable.